This module examined the troubleshooting of OSPF version 2 for IP version 4 networks and OSPF version 3 for IP version 6 networks. We saw that we had some common issues with neighborship formation. We have a couple of OSPF speaking routers and they need to form a neighborship. And we saw what had to be true in order for that neighborship to form. We also took a look at OSPF routing issues. And we saw that there was a traditional way of configuring OSPF and there was an address families approach, and we considered both of those. Now in our next module, we're going to turn our attention to route redistribution, where we can have a EIGRP autonomous system and an OSPF autonomous system as part of the same big network, and we can redistribute those OSPF learned routes into EIGRP and vice versa.